Hi guys, this is Sumanth from Tech Tornadoes team. Our teammates are Kavyasri and Sumanth. Today we are going to replicate Oneplus Landing Page in Visual Studio Code using HTML and CSS document. First of all, we have to install Visual Studio Code in our laptops. I had already installed the Visual Studio Code. Let's create a folder on your desktop named temporary. Then open that folder in the Visual Studio Code. You can see the screen displaying like this. Here you can see three folders which I have created from these two icons. Here whenever the tempo is pressed, you can see two icons. One is new file and another is new folder. I have created three folders naming as assets, CSS and HTML. Inside each folder I have created a file by pressing this icon named as index.css and index.html. I had already placed an image in the assets folder. You can see here. This is the one which we have to replicate it. Okay, this will be the one which we have to replicate. In the CSS and HTML document, first of all I am writing the HTML document. You can write here. This is a predefined document. Here you can observe the title. I am naming it as Oneplus. Already we are using the external CSS, so just link the CSS to the HTML // which provides the previous folders even. In the body, okay, as we are seeing the original image, that is this one, you can observe here there is a advertisement bar which displays a Oneplus launch event is coming soon, and there is a navigation bar which displays the Oneplus logo, phone tab, TV and display tag, etc. And there is information about the Oneplus Nord summer launch event, and this is the button which is providing notify me, and this Oneplus image is the background image. Now in the body I am creating this first one which is as advertisement, so I am creating it as .advertise class in a division. This is the division named division with the class name advertise. Okay, I am writing a paragraph as a Oneplus launch. Just I am copying it from the original website. Event is coming soon. Okay, done. If you want to see in the website, just go through the live server and observe it on the screen. Now you can observe it. I am splitting the screen into two apps. One is for Visual Studio Code and one is for Safari browser. Okay, this block is completed. That is this division. Here you can observe there is a background color of black color and the text is in the white color. So as we named this class as advertise, so in the CSS you can write as .advertise, and you can give it as font color is to be the white color, so mention it as white, and the background color is mentioned to be as black color. Now you can observe there is a black color and the text is in white color. So provide the padding so that there is a gap between the content and the border. I am providing it as 5 pixels. Now you can observe there is a gap, so reduce the pixels so that it will be looking neatly. Okay, and the next one is, you can see the image. There is a navigation bar providing the logo, phone, etc. Okay, I am creating the division, naming it the class nav. Okay, in that first one is image. It is the image, so I am copying from the Google itself, Oneplus logo. I want to use this logo, so I am copying the image address and pasting in the source of the image tab. In the alternate you can write as Oneplus logo. Alternate is used whenever the image is unable to show. The alternate written text will be shown there. Oneplus logo. Okay, you can see on the screen here the size of the image is more, so reduce the size using the width tab. To the image itself you can write it as 20 pixels. Now you can see it is reduced to very small, so keep it as 40 pixels. Okay, you can write it as 50 pixels. Okay, enough. Next, after this you can observe phone, display, etc. These are the anchor tags written in the list. So I am taking list. So how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 list items. In every list item there is a anchor tag. So take an anchor tag in every list, anchor tag. And the second one is, first one is phone. So anchor tag phone. And the second one is TV and display. TV and display. The third anchor tag is audio and watch. Audio and watch. Fourth anchor tag is tablet. The fifth anchor tag is accessories. Accessories. And the sixth one is anchor tag offers. Now you can see on the left side of the screen about all the anchor tags. You can observe the underline below every tag. So write the anchor tag in the CSS and write text decoration to be none, so that the underline will be removed. And as we written in the list, so write the list tag in the CSS and write list type to be the none, so that there will be no list here displaying. As we are using the nav tag, so create a nav class, that is nav.nav, and add the display to be flex, so that all will be fixed in the same direction, then the flex direction to be the none. You can observe all are displayed in the same row, and write the justify content to be space between the items. Even write the alignment of items center. You can observe it clearly and it is easy to see. Okay, here 0.5 pixels. Okay. Okay, you can remove the padding even. Not necessary there. Okay, now you can observe here. Here the nav tag is shown in a background color of white, so I am using the white color here, white. If you want to have some padding, so take padding and take it as 5 pixels. Okay, now it is completed. Then in the image you can see there is a background image. Okay, now you can have the image in the CSS mentioning that body tag, body of PGI, which indicates background image. URL should be copied from the Google itself. I am typing as Oneplus advertisement 11, that means about the phone 11, and I want to copy this image and use it to my website. So I am copying the image here. I think it will be displayed right now. Okay, it is displaying. To avoid the image to be repeated, use background repeat to be no repeat, so that only one picture will be displayed. Before that, you can observe here there is another picture displayed here. In the below the one picture there is another picture. So to avoid it, write it as no repeat, so that only one picture will be displayed here. Okay. In the first one, the text is in the middle of the line. So in the advertise, write justify content to be center. If it is not working, just write the padding and write it as some 100 pixels. Okay, you write the padding, but only padding left, so that we will be having the space between content and border in the left side. Okay, if it is not enough, you can increase the size to 200 pixels. Now it is okay, perfect. Then the image is like this. After this, you can see July 5 like this. So just create again a division with a class name called as dot text. Okay, in that there is July 5. So write in a paragraph tag July 5, comma 1900 IST. I think it will be displaying on the screen, but in the black color, so it will not look right now. After that, you can have a heading with it. So I am taking the heading as H1. We know that H1 will be the larger size comparing to the H6. In the H1, I am writing as Oneplus node summer launch event. I think it is already displayed on the screen, but due to the black color in the background image, so it is not visible right now. Okay, now as it is the class name dot text, so inside the CSS file take the dot text class name tag and add the color of the text to the white color. And if you want to change the font family, you can even change it by using the property font family. So I am changing the width to the 200 pixels so that it will be in line wise. I want to adjust it using the pixels 150. Original image is like this. Oneplus node will be in one line, summer launch in one line, event in one line. So I am using this 100 pixels, 300. Okay, now it is perfect. And after that, in the original image, you can observe hit notify me. So another dot para, like any class name you can take it, and I'm writing a paragraph tag inside hit. Okay, I can write it as notify me, and get chance to win exciting prizes. Hit notify me and get chance to win exciting prizes. I just copied it from the original site, that is original image. Okay, you are unable to see because it is in black color and background is also in background color. CSS, I am taking the class name as dot para. Inside it I am changing the color of the text to the white so that it will be visible right now. And even I want to change the font family to the Verdana. Even if you want to take it from Google, you can also insert using the Google fonts also. Here in the original image there is a space between the upper one and the lower one. So I am using the padding in the para, that is padding provided on the top, padding top to be 100 pixels, so that you can observe it is brought down. And if you want to reduce the width, so reduce width to the 250 pixels. Now you can observe there is a gap between them. And if you want to provide any padding left also, padding left 10 pixels. Okay, it is somewhat right here. In the text also you can provide padding left to 10 pixels. Okay, it is provided 10 pixel right. Okay, the original image is like this. Okay, there is a button named notify. Okay, I am creating a division with a class name button. Okay, write a button tag and name it as notify me. Okay, you can observe there is a button here. So there is a background color is black color and the text is in white color. So in the CSS, take the class name with name dot button, or you can take directly button because you are using the button tag in HTML, providing the color of the text to be white color and the background color of the button to be the black color. Okay, done. Next, if you want to make it in a rectangular, make the border radius to be 1 pixel and increase the width to 100 pixels like this. Here you can observe the size is increased, and provide the padding so that it will be having some space between the note button and the gap. Okay, this padding should be provided inside the class, that is dot button class. I'm providing the padding of 10 pixels. You can observe the button is having some distance between them. Okay, next the image you can okay, completed. These are the images, we can insert it directly. Okay, in the original website you can see the anchor text is in black color. So now you can change the anchor text color to be black color. Okay, now the black color, it is changed to black color. Okay, this is the replication of Oneplus landing page using HTML and CSS. Thank you GoCinQ for giving me this opportunity. Thank you everyone.